In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for Google AdSense in YouTube Studio. If you're getting your channel ready for monetization, one of the most important parts of the process is connecting AdSense to your YouTube channel. This is the system YouTube uses to handle payments, so making sure it's set up correctly will help avoid delays later on. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the linking process from inside YouTube Studio and explain what to look for at each stage. To begin, open YouTube Studio and go to the Earn section. This is where YouTube shows your monetization progress and the steps required to start earning. Once you're there, look for the option that says Start next to the sign up step for Google AdSense and click it. This will begin the setup process and take you to the part where you connect an AdSense account to your channel. Next, you'll be asked to choose how you want to continue. In many cases, you'll see the option to select your primary Google account. If the correct account appears, choose it and continue. If you already have an existing AdSense account, you may instead need to enter your AdSense publisher ID, sometimes called a pub ID. This is important if you want to link a previously created AdSense account rather than setting up a brand new one. Take your time here and make sure you're selecting the correct account, since using the wrong one can cause confusion or require changes later. After that, you'll need to confirm the channel linking request inside the AdSense dashboard. Once AdSense opens, review the information shown and approve the request to connect your YouTube channel. This step officially links the two accounts together. It's a good idea to double check that the channel you're linking is the right one before confirming, especially if you manage more than one channel or account. Once you've confirmed the link, the final part is simply to wait for approval. Head back to YouTube Studio and keep an eye on the Earn section for a notification or status update. YouTube will let you know when the AdSense connection has been approved and recognized by the platform. Depending on the situation, this may happen quickly or take a little time, so be patient and avoid repeating the setup unless you're specifically asked to do so. And that's it. Once your AdSense account is linked and approved, you'll be one step closer to fully enabling monetization on your YouTube channel.